Or is it just trying to recognize it?
Oh no, it's just getting GPS.
Yeah.
I think it should be almost done. It's got 8 signals. Probably need a really long one. Alright, good. Well, it was. As soon as I was about to go, I lost one. Oh, there we go.
Eugene!
Oh, no.
Holy moly. Wow.
Oh, well.
Well,
Okay, it's good. It's just that the propeller broke.
I know. You got 3 of them off.
Yeah. Shit.
There's that one. Damn.
Damn. Well,
Well, I mean, obviously we don't need to, we can't do any more today.
no. That's okay.
Are you sure that's going to be fine?
No, yeah. No,
I mean, I
these
figure it
just
will be.
twist on and off.
No, I know that.
Oh,
Well-
you mean like the drone itself?
What do you mean?
What did you mean like...
Oh, is it fine?
Oh, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. No, I know. Damn, man.
I didn't think it was going to do that. I figured it was going to go up steadily and I was just going to go off. But
Yeah, it just kind of went backwards a little bit.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool.
Whoa. All right. Well,
I don't know where the other pieces went.
no way. Those things went everywhere. All right. I guess we'll roll.
All right.
Oh, well. Here's the...
Oh, okay.
I'm just saying, that's not...
Just the-
I mean, is that not much of a repair?
No. It's just
The blades, they're meant to do that, aren't they?
just in case, yeah. I got
No.
a scuff. It's
Yep.
alright.
Where?
Like right there.
Ooh.
It should be okay.
Dang, no, yeah, luckily it got just outside of the... Yep.
I think it's
Okay.
alright.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still